Hey everyone. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to invite your users and teams inside Clickup in this updated 2026 workflow. It's super straightforward, but there are a couple spots people overlook. So yeah, let's jump right in. So first thing, make sure you're logged into the right workspace. Then look to the bottom left corner and click your workspace name. That opens the workspace settings panel where all the user controls live. Inside settings, find the section called People or Members. Click that. This is where you manage everyone who has access to your workspace. Admins, guests, full members, all of them. Now, to invite someone new, hit the button that says Invite People. A little window pops up where you can type in their email, add as many emails as you need, and then choose whether they're joining as a member or a guest. Before you send the invite, ClickUp lets you choose their permissions. So, if you want someone to edit tasks, assign work, or manage spaces, make sure the correct role is selected. If they only need to view things, set them as a guest. All right, let's talk teams. If you already have a group of people working together, you can invite or create a full team. Just switch to the Teams tab inside the People section. Click Create Team, give it a name, and start adding members. This makes assigning tasks to whole groups way easier. If you need to update a team, just click on the team's name. You can add members, remove someone, or change who leads the team. It's all drag and drop, simple. And if you want a team to have access to a space, like marketing or operations, open that space's settings. Under Sharing and Permissions, add the team, and select the right access level. If someone hasn't accepted an invite yet, you can resend it or cancel it. Just look under the Pending Invites section, click the three-dot menu, and choose what you need. And that's it. That's the full rundown on inviting users and setting up teams inside ClickUp for 2026. Once everything's organized, your workspace gets way easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.